I'm excited to check out the new AirPods Pros. Now, my ears can be pro too. Let's see how they fit, the noise canceling, and if they're worth the upgrade. Hello tech friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Craig. I get excited about new tech and seeing what it can do for us. That sounds like something you're into, stick around. Apple quietly announced the new AirPods Pro with a press release. Nothing fancy, no big event. They were just slid out. Us techies were surprised and blown away. Okay, maybe not. These things have been rumored and talked about for quite a while. There was even rumors they were gonna come in different colors. Maybe something a little more subdued like a black, but white. Cause how are you gonna flex if nobody could see your AirPods that you're flexing with? So I'm excited to see these and finally check them out. Let's see if they're worth the hype. Unfortunately, I can see some of the comments now when it comes to a device like this. AirPods suck. They sound horrible. Apple should change their name to Crapple. You're an Apple sheep. You're dumb for buying them. Well, there's a reason why so many are willing to have these white earbuds hanging out of our ears. So let's check out this pair. The first set of AirPods came out at $159 at the end of 2016, so almost 3 years ago. I thought the first AirPods were worth every penny. They're definitely not cheap, but for me, they were a game changer. They brought a truly wireless set of earbuds, easy connectivity, and good battery life. They aren't the best sounding earbuds, but they are the most convenient. With that convenience, I've listened to way more music, podcasts, and audiobooks. They're great for phone calls. Then, Apple brought out an update that introduced a wireless case for $199. Surprise! Apple charged more money. Who would have thought? Now, this set right here is $249. Damn, that's expensive. Wow. If it wasn't for this channel and doing it for you guys, I don't know if I would have picked them up for myself. Actually, I probably would. The idea of some noise canceling sounds great to me. But luckily, I get to use talking to you guys as an excuse for my wife and myself. I'm gonna save you guys the unboxing. There's been a million of those already, and I've already opened mine. I wanted to see what they look like, but I haven't checked them out yet. I haven't actually synced them up, so I'm excited to do that as we go through this video. I really want to hear how they sound. So what do you get for this higher price? You get a smaller set of AirPods. Here's the size difference. It doesn't look kind of like an Oral-B toothbrush head sticking out of your ear. Now it looks like a hairdryer. But with the smaller size, you get noise canceling, new touch controls on the side, wireless charging with the case. If you think about the last update, those were $199 to get a charging case. So if you look at it that way and justify it to yourself, these are only $50 more and you get all the new features. They also will tune to your ear. Apple's using some fancy technology with a microphone on the inside to analyze the sound as it's going into your ear. You could actually tune them to your ear and pick the right tips. They actually have some other tips in here. It'll tell you if you got it sealed properly. You know, it's all Apple high tech. You also get the pass-through out of them so you could hear what's going on outside and turn off the noise canceling. Let's stop talking and I'll get them in my ears. I want to see how they sound. Like all AirPods, they connect easily with the little flip of the lid and a tap on the screen. And there it is. It's ready to go. I just have to hit connect. And right here, it'll give you your media control. Please press once on either AirPod to play, press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise canceling and transparency mode. On Control Center, press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency. Announce messages with Siri, I forgot to mention that. It'll actually play your messages in your ear. Now you can do something where it's only your favorites, any messages that come in, you got some choices there. Craig's AirPods Pro connected. First thing, I want to stick them in and see how the fit is. Wow, I noticed as soon as I put it in, it got awfully quiet. That's kind of cool. These fit so much better. These AirPods never really fit me that great, but the convenience, I wear them anyways. Even though I couldn't wear them to work out or to jog. They were just nice to have around. Every once in a while I'd have to futz with them and get them in a little better. So with these offhand, I don't know if I need the larger tips on them, but here's your little packages of tips that it comes with. If I go under my Bluetooth, select my AirPods, hit info. Now, ear tip fit test. So this right here will test to see how they fit. So let's continue. We'll hit play. Playing some music in my ear. Good seal. I got a good seal. So now I got them on. Noise canceling. I might be kind of loud. Now with a squeeze, didn't say anything to me. Now transparency's on. Ooh, I was testing the Echo Buds, and one thing I'm noticing with transparency here is it's definitely a lot more natural going on. Now if I turn off transparency, yep. Yeah, see, you really kind of hear the difference with transparency off. It sounds like earbuds often are considered noise isolating, so they kind of block out the outside world. I'm definitely noticing that right now. So I almost feel like you're not going to want to use off the transparency. Turn that back on. See, now I hear myself, but it doesn't sound electronic or anything. So now I don't feel like I'm yelling, but maybe I am. One of the things though that I do like about the original AirPods is they didn't block out the whole outside world. I didn't feel completely disconnected with these. So that was important to me. So I could be around the house, working on stuff outside, wear them around, walking around, and didn't feel totally disconnected. So the fact this has transparency mode makes a huge difference, because as now I don't feel disconnected. But enough talk about that stuff. I gotta play some music. Let's load up some music here. Feel it still. I'll just put that on. Portugal the Man. Yeah. Oh, the noise cancel is great. It is immersive. Okay, let's pause and put in the other ones while I still am feeling it still. So let's get these ones in. Garbage. Absolute garbage now. No, not garbage. What's interesting, maybe I just need to clean them or something. I don't know. It feels like it doesn't have quite as much bass, but the mid-range and the highs are lower. The bass isn't quite as much. It doesn't feel as full out of these right now. Now let's put these back in. And right away it just gets quiet. I like it. Okay, I was hopping between transparency mode and noise canceling. Let me turn on transparency so I'm not yelling. Cool, I could hear myself now. It does sound natural, nothing weird about that. Yeah, I feel like the highs are a little crisper on these and the lows are a little lower. You know, maybe they need broken in. I've heard that you got to play earbuds for a little while, kind of loosen up the drivers on there, and maybe that's what I'm kind of feeling going on there. Or maybe it's a placebo effect and nothing has changed. No, I do like the noise canceling. That's great. The transparency mode is great. I I'm liking them so far. A battery life out of these, you get 4.5 hours if you use transparency mode, or you end up using the noise canceling. If you turn that stuff off, you get the same 5 hours of battery life out of it. You get 3.5 hours of talk time out of it. 5 minutes, something like that, gets you 1 hour of listening with it. Super quick charge. On the case, we're still Lightning, no USB-C. What are you gonna do? But wireless charging, which I'm excited. Now overall, the build on these, they feel like AirPods. You know, rubber tips, it was kind of nice not having rubber tips. You gotta worry about losing them, getting all dirty. But it's those rubber tips that seals it and tunes it to your ears. That's the thing. These garbage AirPods, disgusting. These things don't tune to your ears. I'm embarrassed that I ever wore you AirPods. I'm gonna use these some more, and I'm gonna check back in with you for a full review after I've used them for a while. We'll check them out on a plane, see if the noise canceling is enough and will work while I'm flying. Gonna use them exercising. These are also water resistant, so that's really cool. But I think that's it for now. Thank you guys for joining me on this one. What are your thoughts on AirPods in general, or these AirPods Pro? Are you gonna go out and buy them, or are they just overpriced pieces of junk? Let us know in the comment section. Next, if you want to check out another video on upgrades, watch this Apple Watch Series 5 video and you can see if this is worth the upgrade. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please subscribe, come on back, and click that bell so YouTube will tell you about the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.